Oh, this is a bazooka.
Okay, this is me. I'm starting a new blog called Burping. Okay, you've got a big glass of Coke here. I'm doing my revision. There you go, there's some proof. There we go. That was shite. Right, I'm gonna get some more Coke for it. Alright, 2021747, we got your burps for you. Okay, we're gonna have, I don't know, wicked lot of burps here. This is what helps video. Right here. This is what we're drinking when we're starting to burp videos.
No one's gonna top my burps.
Feelies are kind of weak. I'm having troubles. That didn't sound good. Oh, feeling it now. Hold on.